Yeah, hi friend, this is Taposh and welcome to this video. So in this particular video, we will learn another productivity hacks in Microsoft Excel, that is conditional formatting. Suppose it's a very broad function actually, conditional formatting. So there are a lot of things are there we can do, and we can increase our productivity, and we can reduce our working time as well. So it will be more attractive whenever you are presenting something to you someone, like a report or professional report you are sending to someone. So there are a lot of things you can do with the conditional formatting. So for this particular video, I will provide a demonstrate only how we can use conditional formatting and how we can leverage the function. Okay, so now this is I have taken really small data I have taken. So suppose it's a workout tracker. Okay, so Monday what I will do, Tuesday what I will do, Wednesday what I will do, and those things I have written it down. I have written it here. So suppose Monday I will do any chest, bicep or leg exercise, or Tuesday I will do this kind of thing. So I want, whenever I will type anything, like whenever I will type chest, it should be a green color. Whenever I will type the bicep, then it should be a red color. Whenever I will type leg, it should be orange color, this kind of. So I can reset it. In your case it might be different. It might be, suppose you can say, if now the sales report is like 1 lakh rupees, then it should be a green color. If it is 50,000 rupees, it should be a orange color. If it is 20,000 rupees, it should be red color. So like that way you can set that rule as well. Okay, so for this particular video, what I will do is, just to make you understand, just to provide a highlight what is conditional formatting and how it works. So what I will do is, I will select the range first. So where I want the conditional formatting, so here I will select the range here. So whenever I will type chest, suppose here I am typing chest, so it's coming normal, right? So whenever I am typing bicep, it's coming normal thing, right? So I don't want it. I want to highlight that text. Now it may be any other different based on my preferred color, so it should be highlighted. Okay, so okay, I will delete it anyway. Now what I will do is, I will select the range where I want the conditional formatting. Okay, I will select this. Just a minute. So here it is. Okay, I will select it. Then I will go to home tab. There conditional formatting is there. It's really a broad subject. In a different video I will explain all the details about conditional formatting, but this is the highlight. This is demonstrate only. So here what we will do is, highlight cell rules. Here the greater than, less than, between, equal, text that contain all these things are there. Top 10 items, top 10 percentage, like that way we can calculate all those things. It's really a broad subject. So I will create a specific video for this, and there you can get all the detailed information about conditional formatting. So for this particular video, what I will do is highlight cell rules, and there I will go text that contains. So I want whenever I will write any text, that text color should be like this. So suppose here I will write bicep. Okay, so whenever I will type whenever I will write bicep, the color should be, color drop down is there. Suppose it may be light red fill, or red fill, or red like this, or a green fill with dark green. Okay, let me check this one, green fill with dark green text. Okay, so now I have set it. Now I will suppose here I will write bicep. See, the color has been changed, right? So again, whenever I will type bicep, the color will be like this. Okay, so but I have set only one rule, right, for bicep only. If I write any other thing like leg, it will not work, because I did not set any formatting, any conditional formatting. I did not set it up. Okay, so what I need to do is, I can set a rule here. Okay, so again what I will do is, I will select this, and then I will go to home, then I will go to conditional formatting, and then I will I can create a new rule, or I can manage rule. I will create a new rule. New rule is like this, or here what I can do is I will write home. I have already set up one rule, right? So I will do manage rules. So here what I will do is I will I can edit this rule again if I want to change the color, like from green to any other, so it is also okay. And suppose I want to add some rule, so what I will do is new rule. New rule, what I will do, I will select the things, cell that contents, I will select this one, cell value, it is okay, it will be equal to it will be like suppose I am writing lake. Now I will go to format, and now here the fill color, I will select any different color like red, sorry, the orange color I would or any other color, suppose green, no red, let me select the red color, then okay, so I have set for lake, I have selected the red color, for bicep it is green color. Again I can add another rule like new rule, format only cells that contents, okay. Now cell value will be the same, it will be equal to, now I will write suppose chest. Now I'll go to format. Now this time I can pick blue or sky blue, then okay, then okay, then apply, then okay. Now suppose let's write it here lake. Now let's write it here chest. So you have got the idea how you can use the formatting for conditional formatting for your purpose. Suppose the first thing is you need to select the range where you want to write the conditional formatting, okay. Then if you want to set multiple rules, then you need to go to the create rule or new rule, you need to go to there, and new rule, you need to create a new rule. Suppose if we have multiple condition, then you need to set up that it is not only for text, it is for value as well, it is for other things as well, okay. So you need to create a new rule, okay. So then if you want to manage the rule, suppose you have already set it up like 5 rules you have already set it up, and now you want to manage that rule. Manage that rule means suppose you want to change the color, you want to change the text, anything you can do it, okay. So you can manage that rule by editing that. Suppose if you go to manage that rule, and now here you can create another new rule, you can edit the existing rule, you need to just click it and then you can edit it. Then if you want to delete it, that is also possible. If you want to delete duplicate some rule, that is also possible here, okay. So then you need to do the apply, and then it's okay, okay. So I think you have got the idea how you can use the conditional formatting for your daily working purpose, and it will make a super productive person in the working place, and it will reduce the working time as well. We can deliver more product in less time, okay. So in a different video I will explain how that video will be completely on conditional formatting, because it's a broad subject actually, so we will explain. So I think as of now you have understood the basic idea, you have got the basic idea that how you can use the conditional formatting for your daily working purpose. So anything you can highlight, like your number, your text, your messages, anything you can highlight, okay. So yeah, that's it for this video. We will meet in the next video in a different Excel hacks, okay. Thank you.